I'm out riding today in Idaho. This normally in January is normally a bit cool for riding, but an awesome day. I'm just south of Murphy, Idaho, and I just took my 2019 YZ250FX out for a ride, and you know, it's a really great motorcycle. It's set up a little stiff for me. I'm gonna back off some of the suspension settings a little bit, but it ran really good. I think once I soften it up, it'll be a lot better for me. The engine is amazingly responsive. It's just really responsive, and had a great ride on it first ride. And this is an awesome place to be out riding. As you can see, the mountains still have some snow, and there's quite a few people out riding today. Just a beautiful day. So that's it. As I learn more about this motorcycle, I'll be back to give you more information. No problems with any of the mods. Everything works good. Nothing fell off or broke. Super happy with it.